This story takes place in the mid-1980s, inside cancer treatment rooms that looked clean, quiet, and ordinary. Hospitals across the US and Canada rolled out a new machine called the Therac 25. It delivered radiation to cancer patients, fast, computer-controlled, advertised as safer than the older models. The older machines had physical safety locks, thick metal barriers that stopped radiation if something went wrong. This one didn't. The company decided software was enough. Operators typed instructions into a keyboard, the machine adjusted itself. A green message appeared. Treatment complete. Then, patients started yelling. Not panic, pain. One patient said it felt like being burned from the inside. Another said electricity shot through their body. Staff checked the display. Everything read normal. No warning, no error, no reason to stop. So they didn't. Patients were sent home. Days later, the damage showed up. Severe burns, destroyed tissue, permanent injuries. Some patients died. Only then did anyone start asking questions. What they found was simple. If an operator typed too fast, corrected an entry quickly, moved ahead without pausing, the machine sometimes lost track of what it was doing. The screen said one thing, the hardware did another. The radiation beam fired at full strength, while the display calmly reported a safe dose. The machine wasn't confused, it was confident and wrong. At first, operators were blamed, then ignored, then finally believed. Between 1985 and 1987, at least 6 patients received massive overdoses. The real number may never be known. The manufacturer denied responsibility. The machine kept no useful records. Nothing was designed to catch a silent failure. Eventually, the truth couldn't be buried. The machines were pulled. Physical safety locks were put back. Rules were rewritten. Not because computers are dangerous, because believing a system without a backup turns trust into a liability. Every patient followed instructions. Every operator did their job. Every screen said everything was fine, and people were still harmed. Today, the Therac 25 is taught in hospitals and engineering programs, not as a tragedy, as a reminder. If a machine says normal and a human says this hurts, one of them is lying, and it's usually the one that never feels the pain.